In the sprawling digital landscapes of modern enterprises, networks stretch across numerous departments, each boasting its own distinct set of data and communication needs. Imagine if there was a way to divide this vast network into smaller, more manageable pieces. That's where VLANs, or virtual local area networks, come into the picture. These are the unseen superheroes of network segmentation, breaking down a single physical network into multiple logical networks. But what does this mean? Picture an office building. Physically, all the computers are connected to the same network. But with VLANs, the HR department's computers could be in one network, the marketing team's in another, and so on. Each team operates within its own network, oblivious to the others. And why would this be useful? Firstly, VLANs significantly enhance security. By keeping sensitive data isolated within its own segment, it's shielded from unauthorized access. Efficiency is another key advantage. By reducing unnecessary traffic, VLANs pave the way for a smoother, faster network performance. No more traffic jams in your digital highways. The beauty of VLANs lies in their flexibility. Unfettered by physical constraints, VLANs can connect devices across different floors, buildings, or even cities, creating a seamless networking experience. Here at Bata Networks, we're experts in creating VLAN solutions that are custom fit to the intricate weave of your enterprise. We focus on ensuring robust security, peak efficiency, and the flexibility to adapt to your evolving needs. Ready to revolutionize your network? Take the first step into a streamlined future with Bata Networks. Visit batanetworks.com to learn more about our VLAN solutions and how we can help you transform your networking experience.